Happiness does not come from doing easy work but from the afterglow of satisfaction that comes after the achievement of a difficult task that demanded our best. Theodore Isaac Rubin. Humans are social beings, and we are happier and better when connected to others. Paul Bloom. I always said that if I wasn't studying psychopaths in prison, I'd do it at the stock exchange. Robert D. Hare. There is no certainty, there is only adventure. Roberto Assagioli. Conflict is the beginning of consciousness. M. Esther Harding.